Now, have you got any kind of examples or types of examples of things that, you know, through the data you're collecting this, it's enabled you to make specific decisions about how you do things or how you support tenants?
Certainly on the fuel poverty side. So there's been a couple where we get constant codes through which say the boiler has failed to ignite due to no gas. So we're able to have a conversation over the phone to check that, say they've got gas on the meter, those sort of conversations. What then that is transpired into is a potential fuel poverty issue. So we've been able to use it again, only obviously this is a small sample size, but on a couple of occasions we've managed to get our sort of customer support team involved in that customer, and then have found a much longer term solution to their sort of financial issues. So it has started identifying, and that's really off of, you can see sort of the low temperatures in the property. So even over the boiler, it hasn't got any gas going to it, or the heating is very used very sporadically. So it has started those conversations, and we've had a couple of instances where that is then proved, I wouldn't want to say life-changing because that's up to the customer to determine, but certainly the additional support that we've then been able to give to that customer undoubtedly has made a difference to them and their well-being.